avoidance, this robot doesn't just clean, it thinks. Now, alright, let's hit the floor with the dirt gauntlet. 3 mess levels. First, the light debris. Flour, oats. No problem for all 3. Now let's go ahead and up the level a little bit here with the pet hair and cereal. And again, solid performance across the board, but the CE intelligently detects dirt and performs a second pass. And finally, heavy mess. Breadcrumbs, rice, and Lego. The Ultra cleaned it all in one go. And the AE kept up but struggled slightly in